Hey there, this is going to be a room tour of a pool view 2-queen room at Dockside Inn & Suites here at Universal's Endless Summer Resorts. Now, we're in room, I'm gonna look at it again, 21184, and I wanna give you a tour of what this room is like. Let's check it out. This is the view of the room when you first walk in. I want to start out by saying to turn on lights, you do have to insert your key card there, which is good. You have a mirror. I like these hooks. You could hang stuff there. Check yourself as you are leaving to go out to your park day. We're gonna start right here before we go into the bathroom. They do not have a closet in this room. All they have is this like thing, and it has a curtain on it. I don't know about this when it comes to like if you want to just store stuff and get out of the way, but it works. I have my luggage in there. You also have like an iron and a safe, that type of thing. We come in here to the bathroom. They have some shelves down here, which is actually pretty nice. Then you just have a normal sink with some tissues, a pretty standard hotel room, and all that. You do have a dryer attached to the wall. This lighting is great, so you can see super well there. We're gonna walk in here. You have the toilet, you have the shower. I like that it's not a curtain. It is just that normal like glass, and you do have individually bottled things there, and you have the swimsuit hanging rack as well. Heading in this way, you can see you have this desk here. It has a little pull-out stool where you can sit. You have Catch the Wave as artwork there. Ice buckets, some cups, and little things. Let's see here. Yep, you have a little refrigerator for storing anything you want to drink and things like that. Over here you have the beds. These are these blue bedspreads, and you get 2 pillows per bed. So keep that in mind if you are someone who loves pillows. You don't get a ton of pillows. You have a little chair over here, and of course you have right here. You have a little side table. You do have a USB port and then 2 plugs right there, along with a little thing of hand sanitizer. And you have these lights above the bed that when you pull on them, they do provide light. I like that. That's super easy if you're laying in bed just to reach up and grab it. I want to show you kind of something that I really love about this, and probably my favorite part is the view. You have the pool right down there, which has sand. It also has lots of lounge chairs, lots of places to hang out. And then over there you have Volcano Bay, which is a super cool thing that you can see from this view. You can see one of the theme parks, which is pretty awesome. Thank you so much for watching this room tour. It means a lot to me. If you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That would be awesome. And hey, if you think that you want to stay here, share this video with a friend, say let's stay here, and then send me an email at ben@keystoDreamTravel.com. I would love to help you get your trip booked here at Universal Studios. Have a great day.